Hi everyone! Today I'm going to show you how you can create some GIFs using Procreate animation tool. It's going to be like a short introduction video into the animation program in Procreate, and I'm going to show you how you can create some simple cute animations and stuff. Personally, I use these GIFs in my videos from time to time. You can see them like popping up on the screen here and there. And I also post them on an app called Giphy. And with using Giphy, you can use your GIFs in social media platforms like Instagram stories, Snapchat, Facebook Messenger. I posted some of my GIFs over there, and some of them are doing very well, actually. Surprisingly, making animations in Procreate, depending on how technical the animations are, it can take a bit longer time, but if you just want some small, simple, cute little GIFs, it's very easy to make. It doesn't take that much time. It's a bit repetitive, but it's not too bad. So yeah, and hopefully you can take something from this video and use your GIFs as you please. That's all I had to say, so let's get into the video. Now the first thing you do is clicking on settings, and you click on the canvas and then animation assist, and you get that blue like so. You can start drawing on this layer if you want. I'm just gonna draw this very simple GIF to start with, so you can kind of see what I mean. And then every new layer is kind of like a new frame in the animation, and you can see the previous frame underneath. So now you can draw on top of that frame like I do here. And I just want the lines kind of on this flower to move slightly, so you can just see. Now when I click play here in the corner, it will start moving around, and I can slow down the frame per second to make it go slower. Then I can choose if I want it to loop, or I can have it like a ping pong when it goes back and forth, or just a one shot when it just goes once and then it stops. But if you want GIFs, I would rather recommend having a loop or a ping pong animation. And if you don't want the background to be included in your GIF, then you can go ahead and remove the background color in your layers. And then if you want to save this, you click on share and save as an animated GIF. Now this setting will come up here, where you can keep changing the frame per second if you'd like it slower or faster. I just keep mine at around 7 or 8. And then export it, and then you have your GIF exported into your device. I also wanted to create like a GIF that moves a bit separately than just on the lines. I wanted to have this face that has an eye open and close. So I'm just gonna draw on top of the first layer here, just make the lines move a bit. And then I'm going to draw on top of the layer again, but the eye that is open, I now want to close. So I'm just gonna draw it as a closed eye instead, as you can see here. So yeah, I'm just gonna add a few more layers where he has his eyes closed. And then you can see here when I click play that his eye is closing and opening. And I also decided I wanted to have some roses in his cheeks. So I just go ahead and add that to all of the layers separately. So the roses will also move when he moves, as you can see when I click play again. And now I want the part where his eyes are closed to last a bit longer in the animation. So I just go ahead and copy some of the previous layers and drag them to the top. But as you can see here, I got around 7 layers, I think. And I want it to be like a ping pong animation instead. I like that better. When I'm happy with it, I go ahead and I save it as an animated GIF, export it to my device, and that's it. Now I want to show you how we can use these GIFs that you made and use them in different social media accounts and stuff. So you need to download this app called Giphy. And you need to create your own account on Giphy. This is my account, just showing you a few GIFs that I made. This one is my most popular. It's been viewed 83 million times, I think, which is too much for me to comprehend. And here's another GIF I made, a cute little flower, and this one is moving a bit more, as you can see. So yeah, the views are how many times it's been viewed in like stories and stuff like that on Instagram mostly. So yeah, what you do is that you click on the plus sign on your account, upload the GIF, and then you go ahead and just upload the GIF that you just saved to your device. And then you can see it pops up here. And the reason why it's black in the background is because it doesn't got a background, because I made sure to remove that. Here you can add tags and stuff, but I'm not going to do that right now. I just upload it. So you can see it pops up here. And usually it takes like a day or two before you can use the GIFs on your social media accounts. So I'm just going to show you with one of my other GIFs in Instagram stories how you can use them. So you just click on the picture you want to upload, click on the GIF, search in Giphy, and just write in your username or the tags that you have had placed on your GIF. I always place my username on my GIFs, and then you can go ahead and use it as you want. I wanted to quickly say that in order for you to use your GIFs in social media accounts, in order for your GIFs to kind of show up in the Giphy search engine, so after you have made like 3 or 4 GIFs, you can go ahead to Giphy's websites, and then you can apply for a verified account. It usually takes a few days or a week for your account to be put through, but when it's verified, all of your GIFs that you upload to Giphy will show up in the search engine. This is just a very quick tutorial, small animation guide in Procreate, the mere basics. So yeah. And we're back. Thank you so much for watching. I really hope that you learned something new and that you now can fly out into the world and create your own little GIFs that you can share with your friends and family. Just be creative and you can make whatever you want, really. You can make longer animations using this animation tool if you want to, but personally I didn't want to show that in this video just because it takes a long time to do, and I'm more of a short animation kind of gal. So yeah, I hope that you're having a nice day and take care of yourself. Keep being creative, keep creating, and I see you in the next one. Thank you for watching.